You're gonna love the 2018 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy 3-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, electronic stability control, 3rd-row seat, 8-speed AT. You deserve a family vehicle that knows how to multitask. Take this versatile Highlander out for a spin and let our professional staff show you our commitment to outstanding customer service. We look forward to meeting you.